Welcome to Sermon Detox, where we clear out religious residue and breathe again. Here's today's detox line. Judgment isn't God losing his temper. If you picture judgment as God finally snapping, you'll never feel safe with him only managed by fear. A lot of religious teaching frames judgment like divine rage. God is offended, God explodes, people pay forever. But that's not judgment, that's revenge with a holy label. Here's the reframe. Biblical judgment is purposeful. It's God setting things right. It's corrective, decisive, and aimed at restoration, especially if God's end game is reconciliation and all in all. Think about how Scripture talks about God as a father. A good father doesn't correct because he's out of control. He corrects because he's in control, and he refuses to abandon what he loves. So yes, judgment can be severe. It can expose, confront, and dismantle what's false. But it's not God throwing a tantrum, it's God doing surgery. And here's the edgy part. Fear-based religion needs judgment to be rage. Rage keeps people compliant. If judgment is framed as endless temper, you'll obey to avoid pain. But if judgment is God setting things right, you'll start trusting his heart. So here's the detox. Stop reading judgment as proof God is harsh. Read it as proof God is committed to truth, committed to healing, committed to restoring what's broken. God doesn't judge because he's losing it. God judges because he's fixing it. If that hit a nerve, it might be residue. See you next time on Sermon Detox.